I was yawning earlier, but I haven't yawned for a while. I think she is ending the stream early to chill on the seahorse farm. My boyfriend did. You want me to tell him off? Yes. Yes, tell him off for Knitter Girl. Well, if he's yawning, that means he's not snoring anymore. Guess what, guys? We accomplished a lot tonight. We finished spinning up the sand colored roving. We put the blue into a hank. And I'll be finishing this sock because I just have to finish this row and then cast off. And then we'll have two, or not two, but we will have a pair of socks. It's about time. I really did need to finish these socks, but I was dragging my feet. I needed a little bit of a break. Yeah, they're from my mom. And she only has one foot, so, you know, she has a new pair of socks to wear on one foot. But, you know, because she's like, well, I only got one foot. I'm like, yeah, but that just means you have two of the same sock for one foot. Because socks don't care what foot you go on as long as they have a foot to go on. I knew that first yarn over. I'm like, there's something wrong with that yarn over. That wasn't the right yarn over. One moment. One sec, guys. Mom's blanket fell on the floor and she can't get it back up. I'll be right back.